Hi, welcome to my channel, According to Kat. If you're new here, please introduce yourself in the comments below. If you're returning, just say hi. I love talking to all of you. Also, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Thumbs up lets me know you like this type of video. And let's see, what are we going to be making today?
Okay everyone, we are getting ready to do another one of the new series I am going to be doing in 2020, and we're going to be doing a DIY with Dollar Tree products. And I'm so excited to show you this. And it is a Martini Bouquet, a very cute love sign in gold, because I love pink and gold together, I do. And pink and red. I do like pink and red together as well. And some blocks with some hugs and kisses on them, XOXO. So if you would like to learn how to make all three of these projects, DIYs, using Dollar Tree items, stay tuned.
If you'd like to know what supplies I've used, please check out the description box below. And with all that being said, let's get right into the video.
Okay, DIY number one, gold love sign. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is some Waverly Chalk Paint in white. You get this at Walmart. And I am just putting a little bit out on some plastic. That's from like a pizza. I try to save everything I can so that I am not wasting and I get to reuse items. I am taking Waverly Chalk Paint in red. I think it might be called crimson. Not sure. And I'm putting a little bit in there, and I realize it is not enough what's in that cap. So I am trying to get just a little tiny dollop. And there you go. And I'm going to mix it with that white paint and try to get a pink that I like. Okay, so I'm happy with this pink, and I am going to put it on this Dollar Tree plaque. It is in the craft section. I do not have an entire craft section at my Dollar Tree, but they did have these. I am painting both the front and the back because I like finished products. And I am using a nail dryer to dry this quicker, and it works like a charm. So that is a good tip for you. Okay, so I'm doing a second coat. I think I only did a second coat on the front. Yeah. Okay, so I'm giving it a good second coat. I should have taken that twine off that you hang it with. I wasn't sure if I was going to use it, and then I decided I was not going to use it, but I should have taken that off first. So I am using this Sharpie paint pen in gold. It's a metallic gold, and I love this color. And you can see above I had practiced the word love on that cardboard. And again, this is I think it's a cereal box. Use whatever you can to cover up your space, to protect your space. Okay, so I freehanded this, and you know, I practice my letters a lot. Like I practice writing cursive when I am, I don't know, waiting to go into maybe a doctor appointment, or I'm at a training, shh, don't tell my boss, that kind of thing. I'm always practicing my lettering. I don't know why, I find it very calming to do cursive like this. It's almost that Bramello font. I don't know, I just love doing it. So my hint to you is, when on the way down you want a thicker line, and on the way up you want a thinner line. So I'm going back, and that's what I was doing. So thin on the way down, no, thin on the way up, thick on the way down. Okay, so now I'm taking out those staples that were in the back, and I'm just now using whatever's left on this brush because I didn't have any more paint left. Okay, so now I'm using this, I want to say ribbon, but it's not really even a ribbon. It's so thick. It's almost, I don't even know what I would call this. It's almost like a material, but it has gold specks in it, and I don't know, gold, what would you call that? I love when I can't think of words. It makes me feel so good. I can't. Anyway, it's gold-ish. All right, so I made a knot on both ends, and I am putting that on the front because I thought it would add a little more, I don't know, pizzazz. And then I took these pink flowers from the Dollar Tree. I did get them last year, so I used what I had. So you could go to the Dollar Tree and see what they have right now, but I like these. So I laid them all across the top, and I think I used 6 of them. So it was only one bunch. And there you go. So now I am gluing that on. You can see from the back, this is the back. And now I'm taking some greenery that I had. This is from Joann Fabrics. Oh, if you see that little spatula there, some people were asking me where I got it. That is from the Dollar Tree. Really? Yes, it is. It's amazing. I love that little spatula. I think I went like 3 more. They have 3 different colors too. All right, there you go. DIY number 2, flower martini. Or a martini bouquet, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, so I am taking my hot glue and I'm putting it all inside of that martini glass, again from the Dollar Tree. I'm taking some Dollar Tree floral foam and putting it on top of that hot glue. And I made sure I had room all around that foam, just a little bit, because I'm taking this Spanish moss that I get at the Dollar Tree, and I am placing it all around that foam because the martini glass is well glass, and you will see on the inside, and I don't want to see that floral foam. So I am stuffing it as much as I can right around that floral foam, and then I will go back and put some more glue at the top and put my floral foam there as well. And this is going to help me make my martini bouquet. There we go. And there we go. This was like super simple. Actually, all these projects were super simple. Okay, and here I am putting more hot glue and I'm placing a bit of the Spanish moss right on top, and I'm covering up any of that floral foam. Okay, I am taking these Dollar Tree florals. Again, I got these last year, but they might have them again or different ones. I haven't been to the Dollar Tree in quite a while. A few weeks. Actually, I'm going to go this week. I'll see what they have. Okay, and here I am just putting them in. So first I started with one type of flower, and I kind of spread them out. And then I'm going in with another type of flower. And I'm kind of like, I don't know, just putting a little bit here, a little bit there, and I will go through and kind of ration them out depending on where I need them. And I keep turning it to see. I actually put most of the flowers toward the front because that's what you'll see. Oh, I got those at the Dollar Tree as well, but I only had 2 of those. So I just kind of put them towards the front so you can see those. So yeah, I put the bulk of the flowers toward the front because you won't see the back that much, but I did put some flowers in the back. So at first I thought I was going to use that same gold ribbon. I don't hate calling it a ribbon because it's so thick, but around the base of the martini glass, and then I realized I didn't like that, so I am hot gluing it to the top of the glass, and I am going to then, so I'm just going around in one full circle and then cutting it and gluing it, and then I will put on a knot. So I will make a knot separately and I will put it right on the front. Again, 2020, year of the knot. Bows, 2019. I know some of you like your big fluffy bows. 2019. DIY number 3, XO wooden blocks. Okay, here we go. So I am taking the wooden blocks from Dollar Tree and I will glue, hot glue, 4 together. If you want to make sure this stays and does not come apart, you might want to use E6000 or my favorite fix-all from the Dollar Tree, or I don't know, another really strong glue. But I was okay with it just like this, because when I put the wooden letters on from the Dollar Tree as well, they will help hold those 4 blocks in place. So I did 4 and then 4. So once I glued those all together, I took some Waverly Chalk Paint in white and I gave it a non-good brushing. So I wanted some of that wood to show through. So I wanted it to kind of, I don't know, that wood to peek through. So there you go. Now I'm using my little nail heater and I'm trying to dry it really quick so then I can put my letters on, and that works a charm. So make sure you don't put too much hot glue on or it will seep out. So I tried very carefully to not do that. So I put the O making the blocks go sideways, and I had the X with the blocks going straight up and down so that it would just add a different interest. Okay, so I'm just gluing those on. And there you go. You can see that they look a little distressed. and I will take that hot glue off, don't worry. And here's my final reveal, my favorite part of the video, and I just have it set up on a little display right now, and yeah, it's cute. Now, you know I don't love cutesy Valentine's Day. Okay, so this was more for people that do like cutesy holiday Valentine displays. If you asked me, out of all three of these things, which one is my favorite, you might be surprised to know it is the little wooden blocks. Now, I do like all three. I think they're very pretty, but they don't really go with my whole decor scheme, okay? So for Valentine's Day, yes, can I keep it up for a few days? Yes, but I will take it to school and display it there because, again, it doesn't really go with my decor. The black and white that I made recently on a previous Valentine's Day DIY, that was more my style with the black and white and the pink. This not so much, but I do really like how it looks. I think it looks really pretty. I think that martini glass is a really cool idea, but these XOXO blocks, those are staying home. I love those. So you tell me in the comments below which one is your favorite out of these three, and yeah, you tell me, because I'm liking the easiest one of all three of these, and it was those blocks. You know I love to decorate with wood, and you know I like to DIY with wood. So there you go. Tell me below which one's your favorite.
So that's it. That's the end of my video. I hope you liked everything you saw here today, and I hope it inspires you to make something of your own. And if you have liked this video, thumbs up, please subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye. Come on, let's go. Okay. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so. I said that already. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, thumbs up, it tells me you like this type of video. I already said that again. What is wrong with me? Let's also say hi. Okay, let's try that again.